We detected an unusual trade worth $749,000 on Harley-Davidson stock, ticker symbol HOG, on the last trading day, January 31st, as the stock dropped to a new low. And what's also very unusual about this is that Harley-Davidson reports earnings in a few days on February 5th. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out if this wealthy investor is bullish and buying Harley-Davidson before earnings, or bearish and selling Harley-Davidson before earnings. Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information, including leaked insider information, such as earnings reports, to make better financial decisions. No wonder the rich get richer. And so to level the playing field, let's dive into the analysis of unusual option activity to find out more about their trades. And so as we can see here on the options time and sales tape, on January 31st at 11:52, 49-second mark, these February 21st options at the 27 strike calls, 4,050 contracts were being traded at a price of $185. Now keep in mind, options prices, we need to multiply by 100 since each option represents 100 shares of stock. And so this is $185 per call option. And since there was a total of 4,050 contracts, we multiply that out and we get a total trade cost of $749,000. But keep in mind, earnings is coming up. And so this is a higher risk trade in comparison to the trades that we shared on our website. If you want lower risk, higher probability of profit trades, then make sure to go to our website.
Visit www.unusualoption.com to join our membership and start your journey to a financial success with a partner you can trust.
We will put a link to our website at the top here where you can get access to trading strategies that further reduces risk while increasing the chance of profit. Because not all of these unusual trades will be profitable. Even this one might be a loss. But as long as we diversify with higher quality stock picks based on stronger data analysis and use strategies that significantly improves our chance of profit, then we can become more profitable in the long term. Now, with that said, we still traded this, but we use position sizing to manage our risk. You can see for these February 21st options at the 27 strike calls, our position over here, POS stands for position, green means buy. And we know that these unusual options were new opening trades because the open interest is much less at 41. And so we know most of the volume being traded are opening trades and not closing trades. And that is why we also bought these 27 strike calls for $160 each. We got them for a better price than the unusual options because the price went down lower towards the end of the day. And so when we analyze this trade, you can see here on the risk profile, profit loss graph, where the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, which is currently trading over here near $27 a share. And the y-axis is the profit loss. Note the zero break even line here. And so when the purple and blue lines are below it, it is a negative loss. If it is above it, it is a positive gain because this is a long bullish trade. And we can confirm it on the Greeks. We have a positive delta trade. If it was a short bearish trade, it would be a negative delta. But be aware of the risk of these call options. We have a negative theta decay, which means that as time goes on, these call options will lose value. And that is why the purple line drops down lower and the break-even line shifts up towards expiration, which is represented on the blue line, whereas the purple line represents the current date. And so the break-even on this trade is about $28.61 per share, even though these call options were at the 27 strike price. And so that is another reason why this is a higher risk trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website. And that is why we use position sizing to manage our risk, because we don't put a lot of capital into these higher risk trades. Most of our capital is being used to trade the lower risk, higher probability of profit trades that we share on our website. If you want to get access to those trades, we'll put a link to our website at the top here. Let us know in the comments below. Do you think Harley-Davidson stock will recover after earnings bouncing back up, or do you think it will continue to drop lower? As usual, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a wonderful day.